Hello guys, I am Ishant. Welcome back to my channel BCM. So friends, before starting the tutorial, there is good news for all of you that we are starting our CSS tutorials from today. So I will give you a little information about CSS so that you can get a little idea about it. Okay, so let's start with our tutorial. The first thing is, what is CSS? CSS is the language we use to style an HTML document. It describes us how HTML elements should be displayed. CSS is used to define styles for your web page, including the design and the layout. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Okay, so the second question about CSS is, what HTML cannot do that CSS does? So the answer of this is, HTML was created to describe the content of a web page. It was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. Okay. So the third question is, how can we add CSS to our web page? So for this, there are three ways to add CSS on your web page or document. We will see it in a practical form. So friends, you can see I have opened HTML document on my left side and web browser on my right side. And in the HTML document, I have created one simple document in which I have used tags like heading tag and paragraph tags. So now let's see how to add CSS to your web page. So the first way to add CSS on your website is to write style attribute in every tag in which you want to give CSS or CSS styling. So I will write style attribute in the h1 tag, and in it I will write text align is equal to center. And again I will write style attribute in the paragraph tag, and in it I will write color is equal to blue. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the h1 tag aligned to the center and the color of the paragraph changed to blue. Okay, so this was the first way to add CSS to your document. So I will remove all the CSS from it now, and now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the CSS removed. So the second way to add CSS to your document is to write style tag in the document, and in it write the name of the tag or element that you want to style. So I will write h1 in the style tag, and I will give curved brackets after it. So in the curved brackets I will write text align is equal to center. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the text in the h1 tag aligned to the center. Like the same, you can also give styling to the paragraph tag. So I will write p in the style tag, and after it I will give curved brackets, and in it I will write color is equal to red. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see red color added to the text in the paragraph tag. Okay, so this was the second way to add CSS on your website. So I will remove it, and now let's see the third way to add CSS to your document. So the third way is to create a file with any name and save it with the extension of .css. So I have written style.css here, and I have saved it. And now we will link this file in the HTML document. For linking the file in the HTML document, I will write link tag in the head tag, and in it I will write rel attribute, and in the rel attribute I will write style sheet. and after that I will write href attribute, and in it I will write the address of the css file that I just created. Okay, so now I have written the address of the css file, so the file will be linked when I save the document. So I will save the document and the file is now linked. So now let's go to the css file, and in it I will give this symbol, and after that I will give curved brackets, and in it I will write background color is equal to gray. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see gray color added to the background. You can also give styling to the tags or elements in this file, as I will write a h1 tag, and after that I will give curved brackets, and in it I will write color is equal to red. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the red color added to the h1 tag. Okay, so friends, this much for today. This tutorial was only on introduction on CSS. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe my channel. So see you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.